Guys, we plated our food. The small one is for the baby. Thank you for watching. Let us hear what the boys say. Hello guys, welcome to Raising Boys with Glado, the nutritionist, and today I want to show you how I make my kebabs. And with me here I have minced meat. This is minced meat, already cooked. I've just removed it from the fridge. I'm not making much of kebabs, so that is enough. I'll add some salt there. It's a quick process, guys. You don't have to worry about it. I've added some salt over there, and inside I'll beat an egg. Like that, guys. And then I'll mix well. I'll mix the minced meat well. Like that. And then I'll add some breadcrumbs. Basically, this is for crumping the kebabs or making the kebab balls. Like that. And then I'll mix in well. Simple kebab. I like adding some milk. We now want to make our arrowroot sauce. And do you remember the arrowroots that I carried from up country? And I boiled for some few minutes and packed in the freezer. Here they are. And now we want to make some sauce to eat with the kebabs. Yeah, there are our ready kebabs. As you can see here, the sauce is boiling. And now I'm going to put in the arrowroot so that they can cook. Kebab, arrowroot, and greens. We're gonna plate this. We've plated our food, guys. We plated our food. The small one is for the baby. Thank you for watching.